is Caleb, and today I'm going to be videotaping. My dad is going to be the video person because I don't know what the word is. And today I'm going to be opening this egg. And so I am going to be opening this egg. And there's like Legos. Okay. Oh. This is gonna be hard. So.
You want me to help you?
No, I'm sorting them out, Daddy.
Okay, so you're sorting them out. I'm gonna get in the videotape with you, okay?
Yeah, so I'm gonna put all the parts that I need.
Hi guys.
So I'm sorting the stuff out,
So basically what we're doing is Caleb wanted to record him putting together a Breakout Beast that we got from Target today. So when you first open it, it comes with a bunch of slime. So just FYI parents, it comes with a bunch of slime and you have to like dig these out individually. It's really annoying, but yeah. So we're gonna build it together. We have the instructions right here. Yeah, but see, if you look at the top, he ripped it when he pulled it out.
I didn't mean to.
There's the egg when you open it, and it's like slime, and then you gotta pull it all out, and then you put the slime in the egg. I literally just threw the slime away because we don't do that at this house. So, alright. So let's look at this, Caleb. Alright, so where's the little horns?
The little horns is way here. These little horns?
No, it's this little horns.
Oh, yeah.
So grab his head.
I thought you were talking about these little horns.
Grab his head.
Okay, where's his head? Over here.
And you put the horns on it,
okay,
facing backwards. There you go.
Daddy does look like a beast already.
And then there's that little neck piece over there.
This piece?
Mm-hmm. Connect it to his neck. Because that's his neck. You got it? Or you want me to help you?
Hold on.
Push really, really hard.
Okay, got it.
Is it on there?
Yeah.
Oop.
What happened?
Oh, you didn't push him in all the way. Push it in all the way so it's flat. And then where's his body?
His body's way.
That's his body?
Yeah.
Can you fix his body?
What do you mean?
His body's not together. Put his chest back on. Other way. Look at it. There's like little holes.
Wait, what?
See the little holes on it?
Yeah.
Or does it go this way? I don't know. No, it has to go this way. Or is it this way? Oh, it's this way. This direction. There. Okay. So, put his head down. We're not done with that yet. No, just put his head down. Okay, so grab his arm. And then wings go into it, into his arms. So where's his wings? Not those wings, the other wings.
What? Oh, these?
I guess those are wings, whatever those are.
Oh, these. Oh, these are little spikes.
Oh, spikes, my bad. So put his spikes in his arms. And then his arms go
into his
body.
Where's his body?
Right here, I'm holding it. So the skinny part is the bottom, top part is the
Skinny part. Is this skinny?
No.
This way? Wait, what?
Yeah, no, the other way. The other way. Yeah, there we go. Because this is the front. The purple's the front. Push it in there. There you go. You know, do the other one. And then flip the.
What was wing?
Fix this. The spikes go outwards. Outwards. Out. The other way. The other way. Cool. Alright, now his legs. Oh, or you can put his head on. That's fine. Kaleb does what he wants, apparently.
I was about to
There you
eat his
go.
head.
You're gonna put his leg on.
Yeah. Where is it? This one?
Okay. The other leg. Gonna give you your allergy medicine here in a second.
Okay.
His tail.
Where's his tail? Oh. Wait, his tail comes with 2 pieces.
Yeah, so the big, no, just put it down. I'll show you what it does in a second.
But
Oh, that's what those little things are. Okay. You got it?
yeah.
Okay, so this goes in his tail. That's interesting. Okay, what do we have left?
The wings and the fire and his head thing, which I don't know.
No, so that goes right here on his tummy. Face down. And I don't know where it goes. It was on his tummy.
On his chest.
Okay, you put on his chest.
No, the chest stuff go in here. No, Daddy, I have to put the chest stuff right here.
That's not the chest stuff. That doesn't go there. You gonna put his wings on? His real wings?
Daddy doesn't know what wings are.
Okay.
Daddy, you wanna know why I like this guy? It's because he has like veins in his
Let me help.
fire. Wait, I think he's supposed to shoot this out, or is it just come? Dad, I thought this would like there would be a button on his head, like, and then
Oh, it actually shoots it?
yeah, like a fireball.
No.
Can I put this in his? Just shove it down his throat.
Oh, it doesn't go in there. Let me see.
It does go in there.
Okay, let me put him down. You're making me drop off this stuff.
Wow, it looks like it's going through his nose.
It does. Okay, so those little things go on his wings. You see the little holes there? I know that's weird, right?
I never seen a dragon with horns on his wings at all. Daddy's home from. Daddy, we're done. Great. I'm gonna put these. Daddy, we can put those 2 things.
Look,
in
so
here.
this goes here.
Oh, wait, I want to put yarn.
No, the other way, or else you can't stand up. Where's that little square piece you had? Or is that it? Is that it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh. And then, I don't know how he stands up on it.
Oh, I know how he stands up on it. See what I'm talking about?
Now, aren't you smart?
Oh, the slime in
There's
his hole.
slime in there.
Yeah.
this.
Ew, you're putting his...
Can't go there either.
On his back?
His back? There you go.
See?
Boom.
I know where it goes.
There you go.
It's his mama.
There you go. He's gonna shoot fire at you guys. So there you go. We put this together. Is there anything you want to say to them, Caleb?
Like and subscribe.
Alright, so we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe notification.
I can't see it.
He distracted me. He jumped behind the camera. And if you guys are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell for more videos to come. Like we said, this is a Breakout Beast toy that we put together. So we will see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Peace. Look at it. Put in his leg.